here, the birds are singing, the grass is green, and the sky is blue. My heart is full of joy and gladness. The past is gone, all things are being made new. It reminds me of a songbird I know, in a yellow coat that so brightly glows, who sings her heart out so the world can know how to savor and makes all things new. And Deborah Bate, that songbird is you, with a voice of an angel. She gives me wings to fly. She turns blackbirds into eagles, soaring high up in the sky. She reminds me how God feeds the birds, so building bigger bonds is so absurd. He shelters me beneath his wings, so I won't be lacking anything. I'll make it to the other side, for the gate is narrow and the path ain't wide. Spring is here, the birds are singing, the grass is green and the sky is blue. My heart is full of joy and gladness. The past is gone, all things are being made new. Reminds me of a songbird I know, a yellow coat that so brightly glows, who sings her heart out so the world can know how to say